All right, Mr. Fluffy Duck, here's your 66V, been repaired, and just a basic tune alignment on this. Let me show you what we got here. I'm gonna start with the RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. We're at half a watt, which is what I was showing. We brought it in here after we repaired it. 5 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Oh, 12.5 bird. Peak power, 50 watt scale. Oh, about 32, 33 watts. All right there, Duck. Got it all ready for you, bud. I appreciate it. You know who it is. truckcvsales.com. Bye-bye.
Get wise and get truckerized today.